Rob, you can go into a podcast studio and, sit there for an hour and let's say have these conversations with the intent of cutting that up into different pieces of content for your channels that last a bit. Do you need to, does it take 2-3 hours, or can, you get a significant amount with just an hour worth of recording?
Yeah, I would say my coaching to a client would be you need to be strategic about your time. If you're only given an hour, really put some time into some pre-work of how you're going to, what you want to say, how you're going to say it, that type of stuff. And the reason I say this is I had clients come in a couple of weeks ago, and it was almost like they woke up on a Sunday and said, let's create a podcast. And they found my website and booked some time. True story. But when they came in, they were not prepared, and they were all over the map. It came out fine, I suppose. I think it could have come out better, and we could have had more a better produced show to give them back if they'd put just a skosh. I'm talking just an outline together. I'm not saying do tons of market research or whatever it is, but just kind of have a flow, because you want to also think about your viewer who and them not clicking away. So how are you going to entice them to stay for the full video is super important too. And if you just sit down and start talking and don't think in those terms, people are going to click away and maybe miss a vital piece of information toward the end of the video that if you didn't tease that, they're like, I'm bored already, right? So so I think having that pre-work is my coaching to them. Just, again, it doesn't have to be super involved, but I think it's critical.
Absolutely. One of the formats that some of my business clients have actually been using the podcasting space for is to record actual testimonials with their customers and bring them in and have a very honest conversation of, what their experience with their business was, how they learned about them, and talk about, you had these initial questions and these were your doubts. And remember, we chose to do X, Y, and Z, and it seems you were very happy with that. Tell me a little bit about that. And so that's great content, that's real and authentic. And it's not that shot that you've seen before of this beautiful lighting in this home, and it's just this person speaking to a camera that direction, and it's being shot from here and just kind of weird, and they're reading that script. But it's actual, a business owner speaking to their customer about that whole process. And I think that is a great, easy way to do it, because business owners that have happy customers, they love to talk about that. And, that's easy and very authentic to capture.
Well, to your point about somebody as a potential customer, going to YouTube or their website or whatever it is, that video that you just talked about, that type of thing may stand out more than this paragraph, that somebody is writing as a review from like Google or whatever it is. Those are important, but the video is, I'm going to go click on that first if I'm perusing somebody's website. And because then it's not just the words, it's the excitement of the person, that you're engaged with, or that's telling that story of what experience they had working with them in that business. I mean, I just think, it's going to jump off the website and probably could cause somebody to book and be like, hey, they had a great experience. I'm in. How do I get this person to come work with me, or whatever it is?
Absolutely.
This video was recorded and produced by Just Talk Studios, the premier video podcasting studio in Bellevue, Washington. Visit justtalkstudios.com to learn more and book your session today.